that question. Okay, so now the second question is, of course, you are part of the TS4U IT Bootcamp student. So can you share your transition journey through the schools hub development, including all the issues you faced, and how you evaluate today's compared to when you joined, as for the schools hub experience?
Okay, yeah. So when I joined here, the school hub, it was still it is under processing or under the growing updating phase. But when I joined here, I found that the TS4 portal, not the fully school hub. And then after 1.5 months, we just migrated from TS4 portal to the school hub main portal. And then, yeah, our chat option, there's just fix that. We just communicate through the school hub portal chat. And then, it was like quite good, but not kind of user friendly like today. So, we are just like me, Apu, we are having so many issues whenever the developer, they just build a new code, we just lost everything suddenly. And then I just keep complaining, Apu, this happened, I couldn't find anything. Apu just, go back to the developer. So this phase is quite interesting, but yeah, this is also I call experience, because at the same time in our work life, this will be happen. So this is, yeah, I just find it as an experience, as a good experience. I can learn very like a lot of things from there. So, and if in my work life, if anything happened like this, suddenly I just lost my application, suddenly anything happened, how to communicate with my backend, how to communicate with the other developers, I just learn from there. So this is a really nice experience.
Yep. So basically, this is maybe the worst. Maybe the worst will be the migration process, as mentioned, when one application to another application, the bad experience, bad UI, the low priority versus high priority. That's the exactly work, and you actually the cheap shot way you got the whole experience while you are in the bootcamp. So you gone through this the experience, you saw the pain, you saw all the issues, and you got everything in you, and it's all part of the bootcamp.
Right. So.